So here you are, you've got everything set up on Zoho's Forever Free plan, and you've gone and maybe you watched my video on how to set up your first free email. You got your domain connected and you're ready for more users. You can have 5 users on Zoho's Forever Free plan. That's 5 email addresses, 5 mailboxes. But you're scratching your head. You're kind of wondering, how do I add those other 4 users? I'm Sean from the Tech Gremlin Warrior, and let's walk through and show you exactly how to add those other 4 users. All right, we go up to our profile picture right up here, upper right hand corner. I'm hovering over it, says my profile. We're going to click on that. From there, again, one of the very first options from the top is the admin console. You want to go ahead and click into the admin console. And from there, what we're going to do is all the way over here to the far left, we're going to click on users and we just go into users. All right, as you can see, I've only got 1 user in here right now. That's my original user. Again, Sean at Weaver Creek Plumbing. This is my fictitious business that I've got set up for all this fun stuff. And right up here, we have the add button. Okay, so we click on add, and here it does require a first name. It doesn't look like they're requiring a last name. I'm going to call this hello, and we're going to do, yep, hello at Weaver Creek Plumbing, blah, 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 blah. Say that 10 times fast. Hello at weavercreekplumbing.com. Then you would go ahead and you would create your password. I can go ahead and auto generate. That's fine. So we've used the auto generate. We've got our password, and then you can select a role. User or administrator. In this case, it would be a user. And this is great. So if you get a new employee, if maybe you have a subcontractor that's going to be working for you, or again, you just want another dedicated email box for something like hello or support or billing. And again, the last video I just did, I did show you how to create an alias, and you can use aliases for this kind of stuff as well, which is great. It keeps things simplified. The email addresses for an alias all go into one mailbox. In this case, you could have hello at Weaver Creek Plumbing going into Sean at Weaver Creek Plumbing. You could have support at Weaver Creek Plumbing going into Sean at Weaver Creek Plumbing. In this case, it is a dedicated mailbox. It's a little bit more complicated to manage because you have to log into it, but a lot of times people want that dedicated mailbox or a dedicated user. Maybe you have a new employee, maybe you have a new subcontractor, and this is how you do it. And again, Zoho's Forever Free plan allows you to have 5 total email addresses for your domain. All right, how cool is that? So we've gone through, we've added the new user, and now you are ready to rock and roll. Thank you for watching, everyone.